Welcome to Quick and Easy Kitchen. Now today we are going to make Nestle's Toll House cookies. The ingredients that you will need are 2 eggs, light brown sugar, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, salt, baking soda, butter, and you will also need 1 package of semi-sweet morsels. Now for this, because I'm using the original recipe, I'm using Nestle's Toll House. This is the perfect cookie. Now you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
In our mixer, we are adding 2 sticks of butter, which equals 1 cup. And we're adding 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, vanilla. Now we're adding 3/4 of packed brown sugar, and I've used light brown sugar. Now you can use dark brown sugar if you have that instead. Some people use a combination of light and brown, but with this cookie I like to do the light brown, and I have used the dark brown, and they are delicious. So whatever you have, use that. Now what you're going to do is you are going to take the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, the butter, and the vanilla, and you're going to beat this until it's creamy. So we're going to do that now. And that's going to take a few minutes.
Now that looks really good.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to stop it for a minute. And you're going to just make sure this is down. This is the butter and the sugar has creamed good together with the vanilla. Now we're going to add our 2 eggs, and we're going to do that one at a time. So let me just get that all off. Okay, we'll turn our mixer back on, and we're just going to add 1 egg at a time. Got both eggs in now, and we're just going to incorporate all this together. So I'm going to turn up my mixer a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to add 2 1/4 cup of flour is in this bowl, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you've got your 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You have 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So you're just going to kind of incorporate this.
So she's whisking it on in.
Yes, because you're going to add it into your cookie dough. Now you're going to take your flour mixture and you're going to just add it a little bit at a time. So that way you don't have the
the flour dust.
Yeah,
the flour dust.
Yeah, the flour dust.
Yeah.
So we'll just keep adding this in until we get it well mixed.
These were one of my favorite cookies when I was little. Everyone, here comes the star of the show.
Absolutely.
The Nestle's Toll House.
And you're going to use the whole bag, which is
I would always steal one of these out.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you're going to use the entire bag of the Nestle's.
Semi-sweet morsels. Yep, and it's a 12-ounce bag.
And now all you're going to do is you're going to do your mussels and start
mixing
this up into the bowl.
Yep. What I've done is I've preheated our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm just waiting for it to come to temperature. And you're going to cook these cookies anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes, but everybody's stove is different. You may want to cook these at 7 minutes instead of 8. Everybody's stove heats differently, so but it says 8 to 10 minutes on the back of their package. What Mom did was she just took a spoon right there, and she just put the cookie dough down onto our cookie sheet with parchment paper right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this into an oven now. And like I said, these cookies can cook anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, everyone, I have taken them off of our cookie sheet, and anyways, put them onto our rack right here, our cookie rack. Look how nice those look. That was 8 minutes in our stove. So anyways, these look really, really good. To show you guys our cookies, look how good this looks. Mom is bringing out the cookies. We got more coming. But anyways, these are absolutely amazing. I've already had two. So I gotta watch my limit. But anyways, but these are so good. Now, like Mom said, you can take 2 of these cookies and have ice cream in between them. Have like an ice cream sandwich, or even have like an ice cream cookie sundae. You know, you could do something like that. That'd be really, really good. You can do all kinds of recipes with cookies. You can even freeze them for later on. But these are very, very good. Now, I want to thank everyone for watching our cookie video today. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell, so that way every time I come on, you know. And if you're watching this for the first time, Mom and I would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Please click the subscribe button. Again, thank you. Take care. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.